Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural remedy that might work just as well or even better than the medicine you buy at the drugstore? And did you know some of the most powerful healing ingredients could already be in your kitchen? In this video, we'll explore a tea made from turmeric, ginger, lemon, cinnamon, and honey. Ingredients people have trusted for generations. We'll discuss why it's sometimes said to outperform regular medicine, why it stays hidden in plain sight, and how research supports its effectiveness. Each element brings its own benefits. Turmeric's curcumin may help with inflammation, ginger can calm your stomach, cinnamon may support blood sugar balance, lemon provides vitamin C, and honey offers soothing antimicrobial properties. While this tea can be a wonderful health boost, it's not meant to replace professional advice or medical treatments. Instead, think of it as a gentle, supportive option. As we dive into the science and show you how to make it, keep in mind that even something so simple can hold surprising advantages. If you enjoy natural health tips, please like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more insights. Let's get started. To begin with, let's focus on turmeric. Turmeric is that bright yellow spice you might have seen in curry dishes or on store shelves. The compound that gives turmeric its color and much of its health power is called curcumin. Studies suggest that curcumin can help fight inflammation in the body, and inflammation is linked to many issues like joint pain, heart concerns, and even some mood-related imbalances. One reason turmeric is considered so special is that it's been used for centuries in traditional healing practices, especially in places like India. People noticed early on that it could help soothe discomfort, and modern science has confirmed that it has certain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Still, turmeric alone might not be as effective if you don't pair it with the right friends, like ginger, black pepper, which can boost curcumin's absorption, or healthy fats. In our case, we're using ginger and other ingredients that naturally help the body use turmeric's benefits. So, whenever you brew this tea, you're doing more than just taking in curcumin. You're also combining it with elements that help you get the most out of turmeric. Next, we have ginger. Ginger has a warm, spicy flavor and is commonly known to help with nausea, whether it's caused by motion sickness or mild stomach upset. Pregnant women sometimes use ginger to manage morning sickness, and many people turn to ginger candies or tea when they have a cold or feel bloated. Why does ginger help so much? It contains active compounds called gingerols and shogols. Research shows these compounds can support healthy digestion, reduce certain markers of inflammation, and possibly help with muscle soreness after exercise. Whether you're dealing with an unsettled stomach or just trying to give your immune system a helping hand, ginger is a solid pick. When you combine ginger with turmeric, the warming nature of ginger can help your body process the curcumin in turmeric more effectively. Then there's lemon. We know lemon is a great source of vitamin C, which is critical for immune function. Vitamin C helps our bodies repair tissues, form collagen, and maintain healthy skin. Beyond vitamin C, lemons also have antioxidants called flavonoids, which can help combat harmful molecules in the body called free radicals. Fresh lemon juice brightens the tea's flavor, balances the earthy tones of turmeric and ginger, and may add a bit of extra cleansing effect, though that word is used a lot in marketing. Essentially, lemon helps with hydration and adds a tangy taste that complements the spices. Cinnamon adds a distinctive, warm, sweet touch. It's another ingredient that's been studied for possible health benefits. One of the most talked about perks is cinnamon's ability to help keep blood sugar levels in check. Though more research is needed, some people with blood sugar issues turn to cinnamon to help manage their condition. It also contains antioxidants and may support heart health. Cinnamon is very fragrant and pairs nicely with ginger. When you smell the steam from a cup of this tea, the combination of cinnamon, ginger, and lemon is both comforting and invigorating. Finally, let's not forget about honey. Honey, especially when raw and unfiltered, is known for its antimicrobial properties. It can soothe a sore throat and act as a natural sweetener. It also helps bind the flavors together. Instead of using refined sugar, which might spike blood sugar levels, you can reach for a teaspoon or so of honey. Just remember to add it when the tea is warm, not boiling hot, to preserve more of the honey's beneficial enzymes. Honey can also help soften the bite of ginger or the bitterness of strong turmeric, making the tea more appealing to drink on a regular basis. Also, for anyone who's worried about extra sugar, you can adjust how much honey you add. Some people like a sweeter tea, while others prefer just a small hint of sweetness. So, why does this tea sometimes work better than over-the-counter medicine for things like minor inflammation, mild cold symptoms, or general discomfort? One major reason is that it can potentially handle multiple issues at once. Over-the-counter medicines often target a specific problem, like a cough suppressant that deals with a cough but leaves other issues untouched. This tea, however, is believed to tackle inflammation, support immune health, help with digestion, and maybe even regulate blood sugar. Another big advantage is that it generally has fewer side effects for most people, as long as they're not allergic to any of the ingredients, or taking certain medications that could interact. Overuse of certain drugs can stress the body, but a gentle tea is much less likely to cause trouble if you drink it sensibly. Now, you might think, if this tea is truly helpful, why isn't everyone using it? The answer is often tied to marketing and cultural traditions. Modern culture leans heavily on convenient, fast-acting pills, which come with big advertising budgets. Meanwhile, this tea has been passed down through generations in various parts of the world, but it never gets promoted by huge corporations. It remains hidden in plain sight, overshadowed by more commercial products. However, more and more people are turning to natural solutions, and stories about the benefits of turmeric, ginger, lemon, cinnamon, and honey are popping up in scientific articles and health magazines. There's also the too good to be true stigma. Some people hesitate to believe a simple homemade tea can truly help. But as more studies come out and more individuals share their positive experiences, that skepticism is slowly fading. Before we dig into how exactly to prepare this tea and discuss the best practices for daily use, I want to remind you to like this video if you're finding it useful so far. Sharing it with a friend or family member who might benefit is a great way to spread the word about natural solutions. And subscribing to this channel will keep you updated whenever we post something new about health and wellness. Your support really helps keep this information accessible and encourages us to dig deeper into these topics. Now, let's talk about how to make this tea step by step, using simple items you likely already have in your pantry. First, gather your ingredients. A small piece of fresh turmeric root, about an inch, or half a teaspoon of turmeric powder if fresh turmeric isn't available. A small piece of fresh ginger root, about an inch, half a cinnamon stick or a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a lemon, and a teaspoon of honey. You'll also need a cup or two of water, depending on how large you want your serving to be. Start by heating the water in a pot or kettle until it reaches a gentle boil. If you're using fresh turmeric and ginger, wash and peel them, then cut them into thin slices or small pieces. Some people like to crush ginger slightly to release its juices. If you're using powdered turmeric, wait until the water is hot enough, but not boiling fiercely, because this can help prevent lumps. Place the ginger slices, turmeric, and cinnamon stick into the water. Turn the heat down to a simmer. Cover the pot and let the mixture steep for about 10 minutes. If you're using powdered spices, stir them in thoroughly so they dissolve as much as possible. Some people add a dash of black pepper to help the body absorb the curcumin in turmeric more effectively, since black pepper contains a compound called piperine. After about 10 minutes, turn off the heat. Let the tea cool slightly, then strain it if you used fresh ingredients. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and stir in your honey. The reason we add honey at the end is that very high temperatures can reduce some of honey's beneficial properties. Now, you have a warm, aromatic cup of tea that combines the powers of turmeric, ginger, lemon, cinnamon, and honey. But how often should you drink it to see results? Well, everyone's body is different, and if you have specific medical conditions, you should ask a healthcare provider for personalized advice. In general, many people find that having 1 cup a day is a good place to start if they're relatively healthy and just want to maintain their overall well-being. If you're dealing with mild health concerns like joint stiffness or you feel a cold coming on, you might try 2 cups a day, perhaps one in the morning and another before bedtime. Keep in mind that moderation is key. Even though these ingredients are natural, they're still potent. Consistency also matters. It might take days or even a few weeks of regular drinking before you notice a difference in how you feel. Let's go a little deeper into why each ingredient might help you over time. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects can be especially useful for people who have mild joint discomfort or general aches. Ginger helps calm the stomach and can help relieve that bloated feeling after meals. Cinnamon may help control blood sugar spikes, which is beneficial if you're aiming for stable energy levels throughout the day. Lemon provides vitamin C for immune support, and honey can add an antimicrobial layer that soothes the throat, especially if you're starting to feel the sniffles. Putting all these benefits together in one simple drink can provide a wide range of support for your body. Now, this doesn't mean you should abandon any important medications without consulting a doctor. For example, if you're on blood thinners or certain diabetes drugs, keep in mind that ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon can have effects on blood clotting and glucose control. Always be cautious and ask a healthcare professional if you're unsure. That said, for many people who aren't on specialized medication, adding a cup of this tea to your daily routine can be a gentle and healthful choice. One thing to remember is that turmeric can stain. If you're handling fresh turmeric, you might notice your fingers or cutting board turning yellow. That's normal, but you'll want to be careful with clothing, towels, or anything else you don't want tinted bright yellow. Ginger can also be a bit spicy, so if you find the flavor too strong, you can reduce the amount you use or add extra honey or lemon. In fact, one of the beautiful things about this tea is how customizable it is. If you love the zing of ginger, use a bigger piece. If you prefer a subtle spice, go lighter on the ginger and maybe a bit heavier on the cinnamon. Over time, you'll find the perfect balance of flavors that suits you best. Let's think about why natural remedies are becoming more popular again. We live in a time when people are dealing with stress, pollution, and a fast-paced lifestyle that often leads to chronic conditions. Many of us are searching for gentle methods to feel better each day without relying on many different pills. A warm cup of tea made from real, whole ingredients can be a comforting ritual. It doesn't just make you feel physically better, it can also help you slow down and take a moment for yourself. Brewing the tea is a simple act of self-care that signals your body and mind that you're doing something kind and nourishing. Of course, natural remedies like this tea aren't replacements for emergency treatment or managing major illnesses. They can, however, be part of a more holistic approach to health. This tea isn't just about treating a symptom, it's about supporting your entire system. Think about it as one piece of a bigger puzzle. Pair it with a balanced diet, more fruits and vegetables, whole grains, quality proteins, and regular exercise, and you might start noticing that you feel better overall. Also, pay attention to your sleep because a rested body can get even more benefits from these ingredients. Combine all these elements together: good sleep, regular activity, nutrient-dense meals, and a cup of this tea, and you may find you have fewer minor health complaints. You might also be curious about whether you can drink this tea cold. Absolutely. If you enjoy iced beverages, let it cool, pour it over ice, and maybe add a few fresh mint leaves if you like. It can be very refreshing in warmer weather while still delivering the health benefits of the ingredients. The only difference is you might need to stir it a bit more, since ingredients can settle at the bottom of a cold drink. Some people also like to add a splash of coconut milk or almond milk for a creamier texture, turning it into a sort of turmeric latte. There's a lot of flexibility here, so don't be afraid to experiment. Another question people often ask is whether it's okay to just buy all these ingredients pre-mixed in a store-bought tea blend. That might be convenient, but if possible, fresh ingredients or high-quality ground spices tend to offer better flavor and potency. Prepackaged tea bags can work in a pinch, but you might not get the same strength of curcumin or gingerol. Also, some commercial blends contain extra sugars or artificial flavors. If you want to keep it pure, preparing it yourself at home is usually best. As you reach the end of this video, you might be feeling a sense of excitement about trying this tea. Or maybe you're still on the fence. Either way, keep in mind that it's a simple and low-cost experiment to brew a cup. The ingredients are generally inexpensive and easy to find. At worst, you'll discover a new, flavorful tea that might not wow you. At best, you'll uncover a gentle, multi-purpose remedy that can become part of your daily routine. Sometimes, it's these small, regular habits that make the biggest difference in how we feel from day to day. We've covered a lot of ground: how turmeric, ginger, lemon, cinnamon, and honey each contribute to this tea's power, why it's considered by some to work better than medicine for mild issues, the research that supports its benefits, how to brew it, and a few precautions to keep in mind. I hope this information helps you see why a simple cup of tea can be so significant. It's not just about tradition or hearsay. Modern science has also studied these ingredients and found evidence of their positive effects. That doesn't mean you should immediately swap out everything in your medicine cabinet, but it does mean that you have another tool in your toolbox for daily wellness. If you liked this video and you feel that the information might help you or someone you know, please hit that like button. Sharing this video with friends or family could introduce them to a healthy habit that may support their immune system, help with digestion, or simply give them a cozy ritual to enjoy in the morning or evening. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it would mean a lot if you joined us here by clicking that subscribe button. We have many more natural health tips, evidence-based insights, and user-friendly how-tos on the way. Thank you for watching and spending time with me. I'm glad you stuck around to learn about this special tea made from turmeric, ginger, lemon, cinnamon, and honey. I hope you'll give it a try and see how it fits into your life. Remember, small steps often lead to big changes. Whether you're searching for something to ease mild discomfort, support your immune system, or just enjoy a healthier lifestyle, this tea might be a wonderful addition. Here's to your well-being, one soothing cup at a time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.